Today is tax day, the traditional final day to file your federal, state, and local income tax returns, and billions of dollars heading to leaders in both Washington and Harrisburg who are debating how to use those dollars and how to perhaps cut our taxes. Fox 43's James Corrigan spoke with some of those leaders in Harrisburg who are sparring on how to bring tax relief to Pennsylvanians in tough economic times.
Millions of Pennsylvanians are set to pay billions of dollars in taxes, with Wednesday as the deadline to file. And Tax Day is giving both sides a chance to say how they would prevent less of this from ending up here.
There is more help on the way.
Lieutenant Governor Austin Davis is touring the Commonwealth to tout the $450 million in tax relief through the first 3 bipartisan budgets signed by Governor Shapiro in his term, which Davis says helps those who need it most.
For seniors who have benefited from the property tax rent rebate expansions, we are seeing folks who are struggling to get by getting some relief from state government.
The largest cost drivers of that cost of living increase is government intervention.
Republican State Representative David Rose says that relief doesn't go far enough. He and his Republican Policy Committee are proposing pauses of income, sales, and gas taxes for 6 months, which he says would save Pennsylvania families an average of $1,100.
We want to add all of these things together so that every Pennsylvanian, regardless of where you live, regardless of your family situation, you're going to be able to keep more of your money.
Tax day comes during a time of high prices, both at the pump and for everyday items. Roughly $20 billion in income tax need to be reported to the Commonwealth by Wednesday. Davis says he and Shapiro hope to bring more relief in the years to come through lowering energy costs and raising the minimum wage, while Rose says bold action on tax relief must happen fast to bring real savings to Pennsylvanians.
We're focusing in on the things that we've done, but also the things that we still want to do and that we view as unfinished business.
We're not paying lip service here. We are doing things that will actually make Pennsylvania more affordable, from utility bills to childcare, for every Pennsylvanian.
Now, the State House has passed Governor Shapiro's proposed budget, which does not increase taxes, but Republicans argue that it overspends on certain programs and that the state government should be tightening its belts, just like its citizens are doing. The two sides will debate throughout the rest of the year just how much of your tax money they will spend on those programs as that money heads to Harrisburg on this tax day. James Corrigan, Fox 43 News.